everyone, welcome to Cooking with R, and this is your host, Roger Rabbit. Today we're gonna make my strawberry syrup toast. It's maybe just like the simplest food I can make for now. This is like the first episode. Oh, so I probably started with something simple. Today we can make some toast. No, I got a better name. Strawberry syrup toast. We need a toaster. Some bread. Strawberry syrup, and some butter. Okay. First thing first, get the bread. Okay, first thing first, get the bread and put 2 slices of bread and in a toaster. Now we do just wait. Just wait about a few minutes. Just wait. Oh, sorry. Error. You should wait for the next few minutes for now, so I can come back to you guys later. Toast is done now. I gotta get it out. One. Okay, when you got your 2 pieces of bread, and then you gotta get like a fork, spoon, or a knife just to slide on some butter. Just like going with a knife. Wait, hold on, let's just move the area. Okay, there. Now we are basically here. So now we get the ingredients. Okay. Okay, now we got your ingredients. So first, just grab the syrup and slaughter some on here. Yep. Okay. Like sort of like a bunch on it. Just try a bunch on it to make it feel your own how or something like that. Next is some butter. Oh, sorry, I gotta use my hands. Okay, there. Now the butter is on the toast. Now for the other one, you can do it in type of order you want. Basically, butter you're on the toast before, or basically you can do it in on top of batter. Basically, like jelly, syrup. Oh, I try to say basically syrup, butter, or butter syrup. It depends what type of goodness you want. You want that buttery goodness on the top, or the syrup up. It basically is like the choice is like somewhat yours. There, the butter's on. Let's see how is this. There, the jelly's now on. Let's just put the butter right here, like the back on the wrapper. There. I'm gonna go just move this in. Okay, boom. This is all done. Now you got some good stuff. Now you can put it with some eggs or some bacon, and boom, you got your whole entire buffet done. So this is like the start of basically this cooking series, I guess. So okay, guys, see ya. Okay, see ya. And this is like the first episode. So this is like the first episode. So mark my words. This will become basically like a, but this YouTube channel might be like a random channel. Basically, I'm just experimenting and what type of thing to do or just make you give like enough subscribers. So okay, goodbye.